So now with this next array method we are moving forward. We are not doing just simple array methods anymore, but we are doing also the loop methods at this moment. So first loop method that I wish to show you is called forEach. ForEach method is similar as a for method in JavaScript. It will loop through array of items, and we could on each of those items do something. So if I go to my app.js, here you will see that I have users here, and I have 3 users. For each of the users I have name and age. So if I wish to loop through those users, I could use users and for each on those, and it will give us back arrow function. So here, so for each of those users we will get user, each one separately. So we will type here user, and for each of those users we could do something. So I will do console.log users, sorry, not users but user, and for example age. Yeah, so now when I refresh the page you can see 22, 27 and 18 on screen. So also there is a way to write this even smaller. As you could see, there is 3 lines of code now, but we could write it in 1 line of code. So first of all I will remove these brackets here, as we don't need those, and also this one here and this one here, and this also here, and I will copy this, cut it and paste it after our arrow function. And when we bring back this code, the code will look like this. If I refresh the page, the result is the same. So basically we are looping through users, we are getting each user separately, and for each of those users we are logging the user age, and it is showing to us in the console. This way of typing you will probably use it a lot in a JavaScript, as most of those looping and stuff like that array methods are most of those are 1 lines. And if we wish to do something more with the user, maybe to save it in a database and get the data back and stuff like that, then we will work with this way. This is the longer way, but yes, this way will give us the option to do a bunch more stuff on while we are looping, not just 1 line and that is it.